Learn these 40 road signs and be ready to ace your driving test with ease. All right, let's get started. What is this road sign? A. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. B. Pedestrians ahead. The answer is B. Pedestrians ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. Zebra crossing. B. Children going to school. The answer is A. Zebra crossing. Identify this road sign. A. Worded warning. B. Warning sign. The answer is B. Warning sign. Spot the traffic sign here. A. No U-turns. B. No right turn. The answer is A. No U-turns. Which traffic sign is this? A. Motor vehicles prohibited. B. Motor vehicles prohibited except solo motorcycles. The answer is A. Motor vehicles prohibited. Guess this road sign. A. Yield sign ahead. B. Give way sign. The answer is B. Give way sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Zebra crossing. B. Children going to school. The answer is B. Children going to school. Spot this road sign. A. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. B. Pedestrians ahead. The answer is A. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. Which road sign is this? A. Motor vehicles prohibited. B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. The answer is B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. Guess this traffic sign. A. Pedestrians prohibited. B. End of pedestrian zone. The answer is A. Pedestrians prohibited. What is this traffic sign? A. Cattle. B. Sheep. The answer is B. Sheep. Which road sign is this? A. Horse-drawn vehicles. B. Accompanied horses. The answer is A. Horse-drawn vehicles. Which road sign is this? A. Route for tram cars only. B. Tramway. The answer is B. Tramway. Guess this traffic sign. A. Accompanied horses. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. The answer is A. Accompanied horses. Which road sign is this? A. Fire station ahead. B. Emergency vehicles ahead. The answer is A. Fire station ahead. Identify this road sign. A. Accompanied horses. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. The answer is B. Accompanied horses prohibited. Guess this road sign. A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Slow-moving military vehicles. The answer is B. Slow-moving military vehicles. Identify this traffic sign. A. Junction on a bend. B. T-junction. The answer is A, junction on a bend. Guess this traffic sign. A, end of prohibition of goods vehicles. B, goods vehicles prohibited. The answer is A, end of prohibition of goods vehicles. What is this road sign? A, risk of fog ahead. B, ice or snowdrifts. The answer is B, ice or snowdrifts. Guess this traffic sign. A, deer crossing. B, wild animals. The answer is B, wild animals. Identify this road sign. A, vehicles exceeding width indicated prohibited. B, vehicles exceeding length prohibited. The answer is A, vehicles exceeding width indicated prohibited. Identify this traffic sign. A, articulated vehicles prohibited. B, goods vehicles prohibited. The answer is A, articulated vehicles prohibited. Which road sign is this? A, solo motorcycles prohibited. B, motor vehicles except solo motorcycles prohibited. The answer is B, motor vehicles except solo motorcycles prohibited. Guess this traffic sign. A, cattle grid. B, cattle. The answer is A, cattle grid. Guess this road sign. A, wildfowl. B, small wild animals. The answer is A, wildfowl. Identify this road sign. A, vehicles exceeding length prohibited. B, vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited. The answer is B, vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited. What is this traffic sign? A, goods vehicles prohibited. B, vehicles over 33 tons prohibited. The answer is B, vehicles over 33 tons prohibited. Identify this road sign. A, route for pedal cycles only. B, no vehicles except cycles pushed by hand. The answer is B, no vehicles except cycles pushed by hand. Which traffic sign is this? A, wild horses. B, accompanied horses. The answer is A, wild horses. Guess this traffic sign. A, soft verges. B, right shoulder drop off ahead. The answer is A, soft verges. Identify this road sign. A, slow-moving vehicles. B, agricultural vehicles. The answer is B, agricultural vehicles. Spot this traffic sign. A, hazardous materials prohibited. B, vehicles carrying explosives prohibited. The answer is B, vehicles carrying explosives prohibited. What is this road sign? A, slow-moving vehicles. B, slow-moving military vehicles. The answer is A, slow-moving vehicles. Guess this road sign. A, weight limit. B, goods vehicles over 7.5 tons unladen prohibited. The answer is B. Goods vehicles over 7.5 tons unladen prohibited. Identify this traffic sign. A. Vehicles exceeding width prohibited. B. No vehicles exceeding indicated length. The answer is B. No vehicles exceeding indicated length. Spot this road sign. A. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. B. Accompanied horses prohibited. The answer is A. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. Which road sign is this? A. Give way to traffic in opposite direction. B. Give way sign. The answer is A. Give way to traffic in opposite direction. Guess this traffic sign. A. No vehicles exceeding length indicated. B. Vehicles exceeding width prohibited. The answer is A. No vehicles exceeding length indicated. Identify this road sign. A. Tow away zone. B. Towed caravans prohibited. The answer is B. Towed caravans prohibited. Great job completing the quiz. You're edging closer to mastering these road signs and passing your driving test with ease. Hit subscribe for weekly tips and driving theory guides. Tap one of the videos on your screen now to keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next session.